Yo, it's Mateo Trades back again with another backtesting session. Today we're going to be backtesting 1 week of data. It's going to be the, I think, second week of February. So let's get straight to it. Right now we have an 85% win rate in the last month and a week. And then main focuses right now are improving my discretion and overall trade frequency, because I haven't been taking too many trades. I've taken 9 trades in, I think, like 24 days or something like that. So not great. And that's like 24 like trading days. So yeah, right now it is Monday, February 7th. So let's get straight into it. Let me just make sure. Okay, my mic's working. That's good. All right. Let's see. Okay. Monthly is reacting pretty hard off this low. So I think bullish sentiment for the month. Let's see. I don't really like this rejection, to be honest. We do have this rejection block right here that we might want to see pull back into. Daily. Actually, to be fair, we are holding this daily BISI and equilibrium. So we might just want to see a rip higher here. Let's see what we have. A lot of generated buy side right here. So this is going to be my, I guess, my main drawn liquidity. We did not hit EQ, but we did end versus 4 hour, which is good. I don't really like this. We don't really have like much external influence on this PA. It's just very internal. Like, I guess we do have this daily sweep, but like otherwise we don't really have too much. And it does look like a bit of a bearish daily profile. So I guess I'm just gonna have to see how we react off this 1 hour, because if this 1 hour does hold, then I think all these highs are very clear. But if we do get displacement through this, and then like a cont, so I'd really just be looking for something like this, or we tap into this and then get a cont out of this. I don't really want to take anything like straight off this, because we don't really have a very clear direction as of yet. But yeah, so let's just journal this. Today I'm pretty condition based, leaning a bit more bullish because of the daily Freya rejection and good possibility above, but below we have stacked session lows and a Larato target, and we just swooped. Wait, am I dumb? One session high. Yeah, so we souped that London session high, and now pulling back to 1 hour. yall either 4 hour intermediate term high or session lows. Conditions 1 hour BISI, looking for a cont through it or off it. I'll give this a, I don't know, like honestly, maybe like a 3. Like, I don't have a specific direction off open, but I feel like in general, I feel like both sides look pretty good. So let's I don't know, let's see how. Okay, we have a little inversion entry there potentially. 15-minute above. Like, this looks decent. I'm just not super confident and bullish. But also it does look like traded back to EQ, traded back to EQ, and then OTE tap. That's pretty clean. This is also what's it called, a sponsored low. It's not if we, yeah, but this is the real anchor. So yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't really like that it's not really sponsored by an hourly or even a 30-minute. Now this is just kind of stacked. Bro, this triple equal highs as well. Do we have like, no news? Okay. I mean, either way, this is pretty bad. This is a pretty bad inversion. Oh wait, that's not triple equal highs. Dang, but this does look really clean, to be honest. What reason do I have not to take this? Do we take the high on yes? No. We have a good 3 drive. Yeah, bro, honestly, I can't really... I kind of wanted a comp, but now that I look at it, there isn't really much of a reason to wait for a comp, because, like, we're delivering off this daily with really good displacement. 4-hour inversion, pull back to equilibrium, sponsored this low, and then pull back to equilibrium again, sponsored this low, holding both of these order blocks and breaker, all this stuff. And then we took this high, pulled back to the 1 hour, opened lower, and yeah, now it just looks pretty clear, I would say. Looks pretty clear bullish. I do think, I don't know, I need to take a limit entry though. That's the thing, because there's no way I'm taking it like that. Maybe off the CISD. Yeah, I can take it off the CISD. I'm fine with that. Let's see if this gets filled though. Like before we even do anything. No, okay, so yeah, no entry there. That's fine though. Wow. Yeah, it just would have been a break-even trade if I didn't limit. But overall, idea did play out. Just, yeah, no entry. So this kind of sucks, but that's fine. I wanted this. I decided to limit the CISD because that was an obvious entry that would have given a bit better RR. But yeah, idea played out. Okay. Happy I didn't really stick to my opening idea there, because if I had, I would have just fully missed out on that, and I think that made perfect sense. Okay, could see a con from here, maybe. Ooh, really nice cons. I really like the delivery from this breaker, or that breaker, whatever. And yeah, just the uni, the order block. I think this looks really good. Now the problem is, do we have good targets? Kinda mid, to be honest. But at the same time, bro, look at this hourly. Like, what reason do I have to, like, we're in a clear buy model, back up to this high. What reason do I really have to fade this? Bro, this delivery just looks so clean. I don't really see, like, even though it's slightly high resistance, we do have these relative equal highs above. And like you can see more on the 30-second. This is a clear accumulation zone. Let me make sure we don't have a 2-minute. Okay. Yeah, bro, just very clean rejection. Yeah, I think I'll take this. Pretty quick break even, but I like this displacement. Let's see, my target is gonna be pretty far. I mean, it's not that far actually. Just the top of this buy model. Looks pretty good though, I think. Yeah, would have been a bit better if we had internal targets. But yeah, I do just like these external targets. And I really like this displacement. So, taking 1 minute comp longs off the 5-minute clear delivery out of the 1 hour Chrissy, and we're clearly in LMBM. Not super clean internal loss of liquidity, but we do have low equals and 30-second accumulation zone, and then externally very clean LMBM to previous high. Nice. I give it a 4. Yeah, just it's more just external. This is a bit more discretionary, but yeah, I do think this is really good. No, I think this is clean. Okay. Oh shit, I haven't done this yet. I'll do that after. Yeah, I'll do that after. Bullish. We're delivering from higher time frame. We're delivering from daily for value gap. Daily internal soup. Oh wait, that's external. Yeah, okay. Delivering from equilibrium. And I guess like OTE right here. Yeah, like OTE on the hourly and a 1 hour for value gap. Do we have? No, nothing else really. Okay, cool. Alright, sick. So now we have a sponsored 5-minute. Right here, sponsored by the 1 hour. And then, do we have any S&Ts or anything? No, nothing really. Breaker, OB, EQ. Yeah, just EQ. Okay. EQ, 3 drive, I think. No, that was on this one. No 3 drive. Internal soup, I think so. Oh, we do have a little SMT at this. Yeah. We do have a little internal SMT. None of these other things. But yeah, I'm really happy with this 1 minute inversion. Do we have 10:45 open low? We do. We have a nice feel through here. Sick. Okay. 1 minute premium inversion. 4 out of 10. And then let's see. Perfect. See if we can deliver. Dang. That's fun. I think this was really good, to be honest. Okay. I guess we got that. Yeah, we got that displacement lower when we made true manipulation with this high. Interesting. Okay, so we edge that high. Maybe could see something. Yeah, okay, well, I'm just gonna journal this first quickly. But I could see another caught to that high potentially. Yeah, really happy with that though. Result. That went like 1 hard profit. Yeah. 1.24 R in profit and then BE. Really good trade, a bit discretionary because no good internal targets, really, but super clean MMBM and really good displacement. And also the move back to BE was right after ES made TM. And so, yeah, and we kind of souped the high, and ES kind of souped that high. So we could maybe start experimenting with closing part in these scenarios. Yeah, I think that would be a smart. Wait. Before I do all of this, I just want to make sure 0 and then just do this. But yeah, hold up. Because we could potentially take another long if we get manipulation at these lows. Doesn't really look like we're gonna get that though. Okay, so this would be the loss. Nice. Alright, so SMT at these lows. Nice. No more SMT. And that's a 5-minute inversion. Okay, where are we going? Inside of this 4-hour OB, inside of this 1-hour rejection block. Could see a rejection from here possibly, because I don't really see much of a reason to hit that unless we displace through that and get cons to these lows. Could see that. Otherwise, we should reject from CE. This is a 2-minute. So there is this 1 minute. I'm just gonna forward test this because it doesn't look bad. We have this 5-minute right here. I'll be targeting the top of this range. Just forward testing this because yeah, I just want to maybe start implementing rejection blocks. But yeah, I'm just gonna try this and see. Okay. Alright, cool. Let's see how this plays out. Alright, so that does get break even. Does this end up ripping though? Nah, not quite. We do have that 5-minute inversion, which I guess could have been another entry off this rejection block, but honestly, this is just a fast stop. I'd rather wait for cons, especially considering that I think the overall range is, yeah, it wouldn't even be 1-to-1 to the overall range. So yeah, I don't know. Okay, nothing really here, but I will document this forward tested trade. RB, RBCE, and back to the 5. Would have been TP1 and B, or just BE. I don't know. I don't know if I would have went TP1 here. Maybe, honestly, maybe could have, because I think this was around EQ of the range. Yeah, and then these like breaker blocks and order blocks and stuff. So actually, wait, not just order blocks. But yeah, I think today was actually really good. I'm pretty happy with how I played today. I'd give this a 9. I think overall, really good day today. So yeah, really good day today. I was being more discretionary, allowing my model to play out when presented, and also I was testing new concepts to learn more. Sick. I bet. So that was Monday. Let me actually mark that off in blue. Okay, nice. So Monday. And okay, bet. Let's go to Tuesday. Oh wow, yeah, it didn't play out. Okay. Looks like we're headed to this low, possibly. On the weekly, yeah, weekly just looks bearish. Probably headed to previous week's low. And oh, we also edged previous week's low. I didn't even realize that. Damn, bro, this is super choppy. That's fine. Let's see, we have an SMT at this high. Pretty bearish looking. Holding this this 1 hour SIBI. Still looks pretty bearish to this low, I'd say. Just because we're still holding bearish despite hitting previous day's low. And we have a pretty good draw below with this unfilled 4 hour, and it's also previous week's low, and we edged that. So yeah, I mean, just looks pretty bearish here, I'd say, especially on the internal model. 15-minute inversion, holding this 5-minute at OTE, SMT at this high. I feel like we're probably just gonna rip off that, but if we can come up, sweep this high, or make an SMT at that high, and then shorts, I would definitely be down to take that. But leaning more bearish today. We are clearly displacing lower toward previous week's low, and we're in 1 hour bearish order flow and bearish daily profile with most of my taking SMT is session high. Draw liquidity is weekly sorry. Previous week's low and unfilled 4 hour. Conditions. Okay, I guess conditions would just be this hourly. If that gets inverse, then we're obviously respecting previous day's low, and this SMT did its job, and then we could see higher to this potentially. So 1 hour SIBI would be the condition. Strength of draw, I'll give this a 3.5. I think I'm pretty confident in this, but it is also just pretty choppy overall, so I'd rather be a little bit on the safer side today. But okay, looks like we may give a nice entry off open here. Damn. Oh, that sucks, bro. Yeah, I don't know, I just don't like that soup. And I think we took, did we take this low? Oh, we actually didn't. Bro, this is clean though. I feel like it doesn't really matter that we took that low because we just have all of this sell side here. I don't know. That soup's kind of throwing me off. Maybe if we get a pullback into the 1 minute and then 30-second inversion. It's a bit more discretionary for sure, but I could see that playing out. I don't know. Yeah, it's just such clean sell side below. I mean, I could take this. Do we have like a 2 minute? We do. I don't know, we might just hold that 2 minute. Okay, yeah. Good fade, really good fade. Alright, let's journal this. That was a really good fade. I'm super happy I faded that. Faded this short. Took internal low, but I was still considering it, but I just really didn't like the soup of that low and the fact that we still had a 2 minute that could hold. I was really conflicted. So in this case, it's much better to just wait for more structure. Yeah, okay, damn. It's fat displacement. Now that's a good inversion. Is that a 2 minute? Okay, we have this 2 minute. Really good inversion. Yo, did that like, yo, delivering from that 30-second uni as well. That's really clean. I look, you have a lot of conviction in this. And we tapped into this hourly rejection block, bro. This is fire. I bet. Yeah, I think I'll definitely take this. Bro, this is really clean. Alright, cool. Do we have a 3 minute? Oh, we do. Oh, I could low-key just take that 3 minute. Wait, do we have a 4 minute? No, okay. 3 minute works. Low-key. 13, yeah. It's not a great inversion. Yeah, honestly, I think I'll just take that 2 minute. Oh, wait. I don't know what to do now. Kind of just skip past the 2 minute. This 3 minute looks ugly. I'm just gonna wait for a better 3 minute close. Okay, that's a bit better. I can definitely take. I have a lot more confidence. Bro, I'll have a lot more confidence in this now. Maybe limit that just for that 1-to-1. Actually, would this be 1-to-1 anyway? No. Yeah, okay. I think this is a really good 3 minute short. This 2 minute, I would probably still be in it. I don't know if I would have gone stop rated or not, because I might have put my eye on this. I'm not really too sure. Yeah, I'm not really too sure, but This is a clean short, so I'm going to take this. Overall bearish. Tapped 1 hour SIBI, and then also wicked up into, I think this might have also hit like 705 of this range. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, souped 705, souped that high as well. Dang, bro, this is really clean. Wicked up into 1 hour RB, 705, and souped 15-minute intermittent high, and then also internal SMT. Wait, internal SMT, and 1 hour is still holding with LR below. Yeah, really clean. Then 3-minute IFVG and created an OB in the process, so limiting that. Strength of bias, I'll give this a 4.5. Probably 4. Yeah, I think all of these most definitely check out. No, I think this is really good. Now wait, let me see if this, okay, let me got filled, nice. Oh wait, did I not journal? Okay, no, okay. This is Tuesday, bearish. We're delivering from an hourly SIBI. I think we have, yeah, OB, RB. Do we have a breaker? Yeah, it's not a, actually it's pretty deep. Is that even? Yeah, I guess I could consider that a breaker because high, low, high, lower, low. So we're also delivering from a breaker, OTE, soup of, I guess this is just like an internal high on the 15-minute. So actually that's not really biased though. Yeah, we also have the session raid with all that, and then also I guess that, which would be an SMT. So pretty stacked bias today, to be honest. And then for this, we're delivering from a 1 hour SIBI, also 15-minute, also breaker OB, OTE, internal SMT, and we have an internal soup, rejection block. Damn, bro, stacked entry here. This is a 930 Judas. Is this a 945? I think so. 945, opened higher, tapped the 5-minute rejection block, and then sell off, yeah. Yeah, so stacked PO3 here as well. Not a super clean stacked PO3. Generally, I think I would like to see this take out that high, but I still think this is really good, to be honest. And it kind of, like, the thing is, this high manipulated everything we needed to, so we didn't really need to take out that high. So, yeah, this is gonna be 3-minute. I think this is a pretty discounted inversion, right? Yeah, I definitely think so. 3-minute discounted inversion, and I'll give it a 4. Alright, so we'll see if this ends up playing out. Oh, does that matter? I don't think so. My draw is overall down here, so yeah, it should be fine. As long as, I guess I'll just have to break even when we hit this low and then hope that we get a 1-to-1, I guess. I don't know. Okay. Took that low. Oh, is that? Oh, that is a 1-1. Yeah. Okay, then I would just get out there. Okay, cool. Yeah, I always get out at the SMT low if it's with my draw. If it's a 1-1 or more, so yeah, just get out there. And it does end up running anyway, so yeah, whatever. Pretty good trade. Pretty happy with this. Yeah, so yeah, really good. Hit for 1.06 R. Really good trade. Super stacked level that we were delivering from, and good displacement and stacked PO3s. Probably could have sized up, but I just wasn't super confident with the overall draw because high time frame is a bit choppy. Yeah, honestly, like I think if my rating coming into the day was like a 4.5 or like a 4, and it was just much more obvious, like I don't know, maybe if we were delivering from like a 4 hour or something, and or like if this took out this high, then I would be much more confident that we would trade to this. And so yeah, then I probably could have taken like a 0.7 risk long or short, but yeah, I don't know, just wasn't as confident as I needed to be to do that, so that's fine though. Happy with this. Really good trade. Yeah, let's see if we end up continuing to trade lower. I don't know. Okay, 5-minute opened. Could see 5-minute con shorts. Like, I don't know, I feel like these con shorts are not great. This internal model looks really nice because we have this soup and then market structure shift and inversion, which is really clean, but we did just complete this internal model, and I don't know, like internal targets aren't great. External targets, they're okay. We have these like relative equal lows kinda, but also big thing is 10 a.m. just fully open lower. So if I wanted cons from this, I would need to see like an open high or like not an open high, but just actually maybe like a 10-15 open high into that. But yeah, and then we just don't inverse. So am I bullish off this? Well, maybe. I mean, depends like how far we push through this. Yeah, okay. Alright, session seems pretty cooked for the day. We'll see. Okay. Yeah, just not PA that I would be looking to trade. Maybe cons to that, like, I don't know, but it's, yeah, like that was an obvious draw after, but yeah, it just wasn't great after this one win, so pretty good day today. I would give this also a 9. I think that I played this really well. Yeah, really good day today. Good day today. Good fades and good entries. I think there is a lot to learn today about key levels and stacking PDAs on a key level. Yeah, like just when we have stacked PDAs and also just like a nice PO3 or like a nice stacked PO3, it's just so much more. It's just, I don't know, it's just way better. Like the delivery is just way cleaner. It's much higher probability. Yeah, just yeah. So Alright, damn, bro. The market's bipolar or something. I don't know what's going on. Bro, it's like down and bro, like it's straight chop. Oh wait. Alright, what's going on? I don't know what's going on. Okay. The daily looks mad bullish. That's weird. I mean, daily open high, but this high does look pretty clean. Holding this for value gap at equilibrium. And then 4-hour displacement off of CE of this rejection block. We did already mitigate CE, but that's like literally a perfect tap, so I can't ignore that. And yeah, just clean. Looks like a clean clean buy model back up to this high. We probably would want to see back to I mean, Asia session low is not sponsored. I guess this 1 hour can be this 1 hour can be my condition. This 1 hour is already tapped, so yeah, I think we're a bit premiumed, but we'll see how this goes. Let me do this. Alright, leaning more bullish as we're delivering off the daily for value gap and toward internal highs. Then yeah, super strong displacement right now, but we're also pretty premiumed, so we may wanna see a pullback to 1 hour BISI or maybe session lows, as a session low isn't sponsored. Yeah, I could see back to that. But as of now, drawn liquidity is bullish to internal high, and I guess like this area or maybe these highs up here. Leaning bullish right now to 1 hour buy some liquidity, or if condition is met, Asia session low. Conditions is just gonna be this 1 hour, and then I guess if we do displace through this low, I could probably see back to Asia lows. I don't want to wait for an inversion of this because I feel like we're not gonna get that. But yeah, 1 hour BISI, and for shorts, 1 hour intermediate below. Strength of draw is gonna be probably 3, maybe 3.5. I think it's pretty clean. I don't think it was quite as clean as yesterday, but I still do think this looks pretty good. Especially with this internal, like these internal highs here. Yeah, that looks nice. Especially if you can get like a nice AMD. Ooh. Oh, if I traded CISD entries, best believe I'd be taking this. Yeah, oh my. We don't really have an inversion though, so that kind of sucks, but oh, well, would have been break even anyway. Oh wow, I didn't even realize the S just took that high. Never mind. Would have been a no entry. I could see maybe a resweep back down into this CE of this candle. Oh, I guess not. It takes out that high. Maybe like generates liquidity, 10 a.m. open, low, high close. Or we just displace through this. And yeah, let's go to 10. Alright, rip through that. Good hourly inversion. Now we have this low below. Do we have a 15-minute opening up? No. 5-minute? Yes. Okay, this 5 minutes is going to be my condition. If that holds, then this inversion should be valid and we can see this low. If that doesn't hold, then that means 705 is holding rather than this, and we can see back up to 930 highs. Okay. Really nice inversion there. Do we have a 2-minute? Okay. I don't know. I don't feel too confident in this. But I feel like I should, because this is a good inversion. No SMTs. Do we tap like a 15-minute OB? Yeah. We do have this. I mean, we have relative equal lows. That is pretty clean. I think I'll take this. I don't know. I'm considering whether I should go lower size or not, though. What's the RR on this? We do have this 1 minute. I don't really care about that 1 minute. It's small and discounted, bro. There's no reason to care about that. We have really nice lows on ES here. I think that's equal lows right below my, yeah, triple equal lows as well. Yeah, I think I'll give this a shot. I think this is a pretty good setup. Inverse premiums 1 hour busy, and then 5 minutes. Sibi is holding off 10 a.m. open high, and we made relative equal lows below with the 15-minute sell side look, or I guess intermediate term low. Strength of bias is gonna be, I give it a 4. Yeah, I give it a 4. Then we got a clean 1 minute IFAG, and I think, yeah, it's pretty good displacement. Yeah, pretty V-shaped, good displacement. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. We do have an S&T at this high, which I don't really care too much about. But yeah, I think this looks pretty good. Alright. Overall, I think we have pretty much everything. For targets, it's mainly like the relative equal lows with this 15-minute, or is that an hourly? No, 15-minute, or I guess 30-minute. Yeah, relative equal lows with the 30-minute, and we also have those triple equal lows right there, so that's honestly pretty clean. No S&T. Time is aligned, yeah. No. Yes. Yeah. No. I think this is really good. Are we delivering from anything on the 4 hour? Yeah, we're inside of this city. Yo, we also created this unfilled 4 hour. Ooh, okay. That increases my confidence a lot. Hold up. 4.5. Still have a weird feeling, but I still, like, I don't know. I just think this is really good. Let's see, delivering from 4 hour. We are also, yeah, actually that's kind of it. Delivering from a 4 hour civvy. No daily, no nothing. We also have the daily, like basically no manipulation at sell side, so that's also pretty clean, I guess. We do have an SMT at this high. So we have a little, I guess, SMT inside of the 4 hour. Yeah, not really too much on the higher time frame, but we do have a sponsored 5-minute and no internal SMTs. Do you have like a breaker or something on the 5? We do have a breaker. Nice. We do have this OB as well. Clean EQ. No internal soups or nothing like that. Yeah, nothing like that. Okay. Yeah, okay, cool. 10 a.m. open high. 1 minute discounted inversion, I think. Yeah, really nice discounted inversion. And I'll give this 4.5. So we'll see. Dang. Yeah, I don't know. That's kind of weird. I don't know why I had like a feeling that this might lose. Should I give it another shot? Oh wait, 5-minute probably got, yeah, 5-minute got inverse. I don't know. That was really weird. Cause like, I think technically that looked really good. Just had a feeling that it might lose. Yeah. Interesting. I mean, that was a crazy long win streak. That was like 7 trades, bro. Super nice. Yeah, I had to win had to lose eventually, so I guess today was my day. But bro, super clean. And delivered. Like, yeah, like if we had this SMT, I probably would have re-entered. But honestly, I'm gonna hold up. I think that was a really good trade and great loss, bro. Like, I'm not usually happy to lose. Like, obviously I'm not happy to lose this. Wait, hold up. Obviously I'm not happy to lose this, but like, if I had to take a loss, I mean, a stop rate is a good loss. It means that everything was right. So yeah, I mean, not really much else to say. It was pretty good. Okay. Let's see. Do we have? So okay, tap in that 4 hour. And okay, let's see how we react from this. Could maybe get a bullish reaction. Not super. I don't know. I don't really want to take long straight off that. It's not bad. It's not terrible. Yeah. I don't know. I feel like I'm not in the right frame of mind to take a reversal off this. It kind of feels like I'm chasing. We do have a nice SMT with that 4 hour and stuff, but yeah, I don't know. I don't want to like chase. I don't know. Let's see if we can maybe get a con. I think we just closed the 5-minute. Wow. Okay. This reversal would have played out. I don't really care too much that I didn't take this. It's not really a big deal. Yeah, I would have just closed here. Okay. Hold up. Missed this, or not faded this. This long off the 4 hour because I didn't feel like I was in the right headspace. Yeah. I don't know. Let's see. 4 hour, we did that before hour. I don't know, bro. We were just really premiumed. Really premiumed. Like, targets were okay. I guess we did have this, like, kind of slanted eyes. I don't know. I'll review this later, but that's probably it for the day. Unless we open like a 5-minute for a con. Yeah, I guess not. Yeah, no 5-minute cons. That's fine. Pretty good day today, to be honest. I mean, it was okay. I would say probably an 8. Stuck to my model. I did have a feeling I might lose, but I don't want to trade based off feelings. I feel like I should have taken this, but then at the same time, wasn't in the right headspace. Probably better not to. So I'll go and take another look at this. But honestly, yeah, pretty good day today. Kinda sucks. I missed. Yeah, that's some sauce. More important to protect your psych than to get a green piano. But yeah. Alright. On to, that was Wednesday, I think? Yeah, okay, on to Thursday. Okay. Damn, what the flip? Oh, was that? No, I don't think so, right? Wait, what was this? Was this CPI? Oh, wow. Damn, bro, that's crazy. Okay. Okay, wow. Dude, that's crazy. What? Fat DM right here. This could be a really nice draw. I think we just pulled back into a 4 hour. Oh, not 4 hours, still a ways away. Could respect this. We are also pulling back into equilibrium. I kind of like seek and destroy, but now looks a little bit more bearish, which I don't like. We do have data highs right here. I guess maybe. Yeah, I don't know. I think we're gonna need to wait and see how we react off this 4 hour. If we do, if we don't, and we just displace through, then could see shorts down to here. I guess this 30 minutes is gonna be my condition. I'm just gonna mark it off like this. CPI today ripped lower through the 4 hour busy, but I could see 4 hours still hold and holds EQ and rip back to data highs, but if 30-minute SIBI holds, we get a 4 hour IFG, then I'll be willing to take cons from or to the unfilled 4 hour and discount. Yeah, so we'll see how this goes. A bit more condition based today. Drawn liquidity off open is, I guess, gonna be just data highs or 4 hour unfilled. Yeah, it's just one or the other at this point. Conditions is gonna be the 4 hour and 30-minute SIBI. Strength is probably 3. I think a 3 is fine. Yeah, I think a 3 makes sense. Alright, so let's see how we open here. Back into the 30-minute. Okay, I like that. Where's the 4-hour? Right here. Okay, I'm just gonna mark this off. Just so that I know. We did just take out previous day's low as well, which is pretty clean. If we can see good 5-minute displacement, I'd like to possibly take longs. Really good LRL built up here. Damn, no inversion entry. Well, that's fine. Potentially one above. Okay, really good 4-hour close for longs here. Honestly, super confident now. So, yeah, probably could see longs to backtest hourly unfilled. Right there. I'd like to see this low here. Or, sorry, not this low. The 15-minute unfilled, but it is a breakaway gap, so we may just want to see a pullback into this and then long. Let's see, do we open up for a gap here? No. But honestly, dang. Yeah, just a bit unlucky. Let's see how we are moving. 5-minute opened up. Tap back into the 5-minute. Okay, 5-minute inversion, I think. Yeah, okay. Sick. Okay, I think if we can trade back into this 15-minute, no, that would be pretty clean. Yeah. Yeah. I like that. Damn, bro, what? Okay, well, that kind of sucks. And take data highs on ES, and took them on IQ. Well, not really much I could do there. Called it out pretty well. I mean, I called cons from all the way down here, so just no entries. Kinda sucks, but that's okay. These things happen. Uh, 5-minute inversion off of that. I don't know, low-key, these lows look really clean. But I would rather take a con. I mean, this. Yeah, okay, never mind. Yeah, I don't know. I guess, yeah, it was just really bad RR to this low. Maybe a mech might play out here. Yeah, I don't know. This might play out, but I'm not taking anything today. Just seeing how 11 AM prints. Yeah, so played out to the 5-minute would have been break even. Not something worth noting. Alright, today was pretty trash, to be completely honest. Just straight rip up. Good day in terms of yall because I predicted data highs perfectly and was also open to the idea of shorts, but just straight. Actually, just no entries offered. We had pullbacks, just no refugees. Alright, so yeah, on to the next day. That day was trash. Do we have PPI today? No, we don't. Damn, so when was PPI? Am I tripping? Oh wow, that's, bro, PA is interesting right now. I don't know what's going on. Alright, so we have this order block down here, which we traded back to. Also traded back to the rejection block that rejected this rejection block. 4-hour inversion, pull back into this 4-hour CB. It's also the only one in the leg, so I like that. Could potentially see shorts off that. We do have relative equal lows at London lows, which is pretty clean. And yeah, I mean, it just looks pretty bearish. I don't know, like, kind of surprised that we're not trading higher, but I guess this 4 hour can be my condition. But as of now, I'm leaning more bearish for sure. Leaning more bearish today. Wait, what does the daily profile, or the daily? I don't really like this rejection though. I don't know, we'll see. Leaning more bearish today. We inversed lower on 4 hour, and we have some clear possible. Bro, what did I just spell? Sell side targets below, mainly being like this low and this low, and then the internal low as well. Yeah, like, bro, when we inverse the fair value gap this low, it's so unlikely that we get a rejection. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this definitely looks more bearish for sure. Clear possible sell side below, and then hold back to 4 hour SIBI and relative equal lows at limit session low and unsponsored session low as well. Drawn liquidity is going to be low of day and Asia session low mainly. Conditions going to be this 4 hour SIBI. Damn, did I even check the, yeah, check the 1 hour. Ooh, we do have this 1 hour unfilled to target as well. It's pretty clean. Maybe for shorts. I guess we don't really need this internal high, but we could probably take shorts off this 15-minute. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see what open gives us. I'm not super confident in this. I'll probably say 3.5. Let's see. Okay, open gives us a soup higher. Damn. Yeah, absolutely ripped lower. Okay, I mean, it's probably just gonna play out to the hourly. I would think. Maybe. Oh, what the flip, bro? Yo, what is that? Holy man. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for 10. Oh, that's a bit rough. I mean, open to 5-minute, not really much we could do with that. Okay, good 4 hour close to be bearish, really good. Also, pretty good 1 hour close. Looks like very obviously we're drawing to London session lows. Could see a 5-minute open up and then shorts. Possibly. Nothing really at this low. Okay. 3-minute, 4-minute. Okay, we do have this 3-minute. Really good 3-minute inversion. It is a bit of a high resistance target, but wait, where's data lows? Here? That's data lows. It's not a super good data low, but still something. What is this? Okay. I really also like how this 1 minute just printed. And that 5-minute displacement's really clean too. Yeah, I think I'll take this. Yeah, I'm just leaving a little bit of room for CE of this rejection block potentially. Yeah, okay, that's good. Yeah, just normal risk on this. It's slightly high resistance, but I'm super confident in these lows. So, yeah, 4 hour is holding bearish with a really good close, and then we have data lows at open, but then ripped higher off open into the 5-minute Sibi. And then super strong thick rejection and 3-minute IFPG with data lows below, and on the session low is the draw because super strong dual and VP level. Oh gosh. Yeah, probably 4. Is this 4? Oh, we tapped the CE of this 4-hour rejection block as well. Bro, that's so clean. That's super tough. And the 1 hour. Yeah, bro, I can't see this low not getting taken. Bro, yeah, I mean, I feel like this is the only TV that makes sense. Could target all the way down here, but I feel like that's just pushing it a bit. Might as well just take the low-hanging fruit. Yeah, no S&T at the draw. Nice. So, yeah, let's go break even there. A little bit of, yeah, a little bit too discounted, but it's okay. I think that we have a lot of displacement and data lows, which is, really strong. So this is Friday, bearish, delivering from a 4-hour, which is also, do we have anything else? I think it's just the 4-hour, right? 1 hour. I guess it's a 1-hour order block, but I don't know. Yeah, no, I don't know. I feel like it's just the 4-hour pretty much. Internal soup. No, not really a session rate either. Okay, yeah. Just the 4-hour, that's fine though. Sponsored 5-minute. Any SMTs? Not SMTs, that's fine. Do we have a breaker? Not really. I guess we do have this 5-minute. Yeah, I guess the 5-minute breaker's holding. And order block. We did not. Oh, we did tap into OT 705. Ooh. I think that did. Yeah, really clean 705 tap. I like that a lot. What else do we have? We have a rejection block. We don't have an internal soup. Yeah, but again, for cons, we don't really need that. So, 10 open high. 3-minute premium inversion. Let's see, this is about a 4. And then yeah, let's see if this, okay, break even there. I feel like this is going to be an insta break even. Okay. Running, not really displacing as much as I would have liked, but we are holding this 1 minute, which is good. We are creating this 5-minute as well. Okay, so like in this case, if I do get break even, I will be looking for a re-entry. Because this 5-minute would not be my condition. So yeah, let's see. Hopefully we can continue pushing. Okay. Alright, potential re-entry here, maybe on the 32nd. We did hit 1-to-1. No, we didn't. Okay. Okay. Cool. Okay, yeah, cool. Is that a 1 minute? Yeah, it is. Really nice. Really nice inversion. 2 minute, 3 minute. That is a 3 minute, okay. Good thing I saw that 3 minute. We do have this 1 minute. Ooh. Okay, that 1 minute looks really, really nice. And this 5 minutes holding beautifully. Yeah, I mean, bro, made relative equal lows here. Generated some nice sell side. Bro, this looks nice. I think break even can probably be this 3-minute intermediate term low. Stop loss is gonna go up here on this 3-minute rejection block. Or I guess just body close. And then I guess TP can go down here. Yeah, should I? I'll journal that after. Yeah, it's fine. I'll journal that after. Got B on the last trade, but pulled back into the 5-minute Sibi, and then off that we have some nice 5-minute, or wait, 1 minute? Yeah, 1 minute con shorts. And 10, 30, open, high, low, close. And we're all internally and relative equal lows at 1 in session low. This is probably a 4.5. Would be a 5, but my high time frame bias is, I mean, it's pretty strong right now because of that 4-hour close, but I wouldn't consider this a 5. Oh, this does look good to size up on, but it is post 10:30 on a Friday. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'll just leave it at this. It's also decent RR, so I don't mind. Yeah, I don't mind. Friday, bearish, bearish. Still just 4-hour. Oh shoot, wait. What am I doing? Yeah. Is this, I guess this would technically be considered non-sponsored 5-minute, but I don't really care too much because draw is just extremely obvious. Pulled back into the breaker again. OB. I think OTE. Rejection block. Yeah, 705. Rejection block. Any internal sweep? Yeah, I would say we also have that internal sweep. Yeah. SMTs? Possibly. We don't have an SMT. Okay. But yeah, I think this is pretty good. 10:30 open, high, low, close. Do we have 10:45 as well? Not quite. 10:45 did open lower. But okay. 1 minute premium inversion. And 4.5. Let's see how this plays out. Dang, bro. Oh, that's rough. Oh, I feel like this is just gonna run now. Fuss, man. Well, not really much I could do here. 2 stop raids this week. A little bit rough, but loss BE to BE to L. Or actually, was that a break even to L? Let me see. The 3-minute. Oh wait, no, this is a break even to win. Yeah. Zero. Negative 250. Okay, wait, let me do this one first. Hold up. Oh, wait, I should also. Okay. Stop. Rated again. Yeah, I don't know. A little bit rough. Whatever. Is what it is. Yeah, I was bound to run into a couple losses here. I feel like I was just on too big of a heater. Alright, so yeah, this trade did play out if I would have left it, but I feel like it would have been a bit stupid to leave it. So I think yeah, I think I played today pretty well. A little bit rough of a session here, to be honest, but it's fine. Good trade. Oh, wait, hold up. When's 1R? Oh wait, no, didn't go R. Yeah. Got BE. Ended up playing out, but I got BE rated. Yeah, I think this was really good. It was an unsponsored 5-minute technically, but I had a lot of confidence in this duo, and it was sponsored by time. And like, what I mean by that is like this, hold up, this PT array was mitigated off of a 10 a.m. open high, right? And so that means that this leg is kind of like sponsored by time as well as this PT array. And yeah, so I feel like that's just like an added confluence, but yeah, a bit unlucky. Good day today. Just yeah, I guess I just got chopped out, huh? Where was my entry? My entry was this one here. Yeah, I kind of just got chopped out. Alright, cool. So, honestly, I'm really happy with this session today. Like, I know we got stop rated twice, which kind of cooks my win rate. I was at like a 90 before, but I don't really care. Like, 70 win rate is good. I need to get this up, but yeah, it's fine. Yeah, so just 2-2 on this month, 1-2 on the week. A little bit of a hard week, but you know, is what it is. Drawn liquidities played out like almost every day, or maybe every day, I'm not too sure. But we also did take more trades this week and more valid trades, which I'm really happy about. We took 5. So yeah, I mean, I'm pretty happy with this. And yeah, I mean, thanks for watching. I hope y'all learned something, and yeah, enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.